Yeah.
Yeah.
You know who it is?
It's motherfucking nerds, bitch.
Actually, we prefer N-E-R-D.
Nerd, motherfucker.
Nigga, it hurts less, okay?
Okay, you dumbass.
So we just want to say, we are all above you fuckers who think you're better than us.
We are better than you all. We shall overcome. We shall. I have a dream that nerds and jocks can get together, and cheerleaders and ugly sluts too. But then again, that shit ain't gonna happen.
Yo, we living above the people. You hate on me cause you think that we will never be equal. But we are equal. We better than your people. We making all the dough and it's on the seesaw. Cause you know we can speak a different language. You hating on me, nigga. I made a fucking sandwich. You take it from me. You make me feel so bad, sad. You made me feel like I never was glad, but it's okay. You did. I mean, it probably wasn't loved as a child, but you raped, nigga. It's okay, nigga. Just let it out. I know it's hard for you cause you not getting all A's like me, but nigga, it's okay. I'll help you walk through your day.
Motherfucker. Look, I got my calculator here and my protractor right there. I got a ruler right there and my pencils in the air. I got my pocket protector, but I am still sweet. I mean, you niggas ain't fucking with me cause I'm empty fucking sweet. Oops. Mother, please forgive my language. I still want to play World of Warcraft or, Dungeons and Dragons, bitch. But I don't give a shit. Mother's gonna whoop my ass. I'm in the basement, bitch. Yeah, that's where I'm gonna live till I'm 30. And then she's gonna die. And I'm gonna be like, no! And she's like, yeah. And she's like, no! And hold on, fuck this shit. Cash out, yo! Yo!
I was used to be cash out, then I cashed out all my money. Now I'm not cash out. I'm just a nerd trying to make it back to the top. I got all A's, niggas, and I will never stop. I made a software. It's called Chocolate Drop, and you take all the black people and they make a drop to the same place, not being racist, hating on me, nigga, when I freeze like getting racist.
My dream was to come, but the dream is now gone. Fuck bullies, fuck nerds, fuck jocks, fuck cheerleaders, fuck whores. We are, and we always will be, the people, and the people shall stand, one in one, hand in hand. Yes, fuck clothing. We all butt naked, bitch. We shall overcome racism, black, white, Hispanic, or anything else. We shall rule the world. Minorities, bitch. Minorities.
Yeah, we're young, but it's okay, cause we're ruling this world one motherfucking day.
We shall
overcome.
We shall
motherfucking overcome.
We shall.
Yes, overcome.
We shall.
We shall overcome.
Biatch.
Believe me when I say,
we shall overcome.
You think you run the world now? But when you gone, it's all ours.
Motherfucker.
No. Don't get offended that we said, I have a dream. Don't worry about it. I didn't really have that dream. I did not have that dream.